Today I want to talk about introduction of business management. A business can be described as an organization or enterprising entity that engage in professional, commercial, or industrial activities. There can be different types of business depending on various factors. Similarly, their ownership also makes them different from each other. Some are for profit, while some are non-profit. Business is also the efforts and activities of a person who is producing goods or offering service with the intent to sell them for profit. For instance, there are sole proprietorships, partnerships, corporations, and more. Business refers to the coordination and administration of business activities, tasks, and resources to achieve a set objective. This often involves supervision and training of staff, overseeing corporations, and designing company infrastructure to optimize for the. According to experts, the key to business management is striking a balance between managing and work talent. Furthermore, managerial success demands consistency, communications, empathy, forming and nurturing of meaningful working relationships. Together, such attributes comprise an effective business management strategy.
Here the first summary, which is about management and business history. The paper consists of two segments. The first half is an autoethnographic personal reflection, looking at the author's research journey and how the discipline experienced by the author has evolved over that time. The second half is a prescriptive look forward to considering how we should leverage the strength as historians to progress the discipline forward. Firstly, demonstrates opportunities for management and business history to encompass new agendas, including the expansion of the topic into teaching, the possibility for the advancement of empirical contributions, and opportunities for finding in new research areas, including the global south and public and project management history. Secondly, this paper demonstrates that historians should be more confident in the disciplinary capabilities, particularly their understandings of historic context, continuity, change, and chronologies when making empirical and theoretical contributions.
Among lists leading models that were the subject of studies that claimed the connection of their usage to increase business performance, the McCormack and Johnson's BPOMM was selected as is the most disseminated model based on the number of studies that report on its testing in a business environment. Present research is the first one which considers the BPO maturity in the Slovenian power supply business, therefore makes significant contributions to the literature and above all to scholars and practitioners who work professionally in this field and will find useful information and guidance for a better understanding of the BPO and maturity models. In particular, the executive management should recognize the particular practical benefits of these research findings. The survey has a number of limitations. The first limitation is the fact that the measurement of the BPO maturity was conducted on a limited sample of 19 organizations of the Slovenian power supply business.
The novelty of the purpose framework for promoting business excellence at the firm level is attributed to the alignment of the national award with a select QMAF, taking into consideration the importance of key determinants of quality and their relationship. The research gap is the lack of a national framework to drive the quality enhancement of industry of a nation through a strategy driven by the government. The MFPBE through the plan do check at PDCA cycle collect effectively integrates industry and resource with appetites available in academic institutions and private consultants to deliver a national quality assessment. The NFPBE would be driven through tax incentive and grants that would be provided to the relevant stakeholder based on their quality outcome. This will contribute to the growth of national economy. The approach adopted in this research is a qualitative research approach using a meta-analysis of contemporary literature on quality awards and framework. Based on meta-analysis, the study provides a comparison of quality awards and an analysis of quality construct and performance indicators concerning established quality awards and framework.
Stakeholder relations has been largely based upon a two-way public relations model. Along with this change, business diplomacy emerged as a proposal to renew stakeholder management. It is still uncertain if this proposal adds value to stakeholder management, which this study seeks to clarify. By acknowledging the role that business diplomacy plays in stakeholder management, companies may place influence at the core of the renewed stakeholder management strategy to better deal with the increasingly complex business environment. To manage these interactions, stakeholder dialogue is a strategic tool reinforcing quality corporate communication as a key asset. Public relations, a part of corporate communications, includes such activities as developing programs, communicating with the public and other organizations, and dealing with public opinion. For example, following the Deepwater Horizon oil spill in 2010 in the Mexico prospect, the BP public relations function managed to have a large presence in the media with press conference and ads, but did not take into consideration reaching other stakeholders such as the US government. US President Barack Obama commented that the money spent on the ads should have gone to clean up and compensating fishermen and small business owners.
This study aims to consider assurance of learning among undergraduate business students enrolled in capstone business strategy courses using the GLOBUS competitive simulation. Gender, academic major, and business core course performance were examined. This study conducted empirical analysis of simulation learning that focused entirely on direct measures, including student characteristics, learning assurance measures, business course grades, capstone course grades, and student GPAs. This study represents an empirical analysis of simulation learning focusing on individual student characteristics, learning assurance dimensions, simulation performance, business course performance, and overall student GPA.
Here's the conclusion for the whole summary that we already discussed. Our team experience has shown that working together in a group for an assignment can be a challenging task in some situations because we all need to achieve our target. We make all decisions together as a group with the concern about all the group members. We are confident we have a good interpersonal connection as a group because the four of us can work together to solve any difficulty completing our group project. Moreover, we be fair and ensure that no one is not doing work. Although we divide tasks into parts, we often consult with each other and ask our members to check our work. In addition, we did not have to push anyone to finish their work or wait for a member to finish their part. Finally, we realized that teamwork is the most important part of our group assignment because we will not be able to accomplish anything if we do not work together. Our struggle during doing this assignment is we spend so much time together discussing ideas and dividing up responsibilities. We also communicate through WhatsApp group. Thank you. That's all from us.